Welcome. This short tutorial will be showing you how to enable web push notifications here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, we would need to go to store settings right here in the left panel. So click on it, and once done, go to this panel right here and find push notifications. Okay, so click on it, and then once done, make sure that this slider right here is toggled on. Okay, it says here push notifications let you reach customers with short attention-grabbing messages and compelling visuals. Even if the customers are browsing your store, push notifications can still reach them on other pages. So basically enable it. As you can see here, it says it's now active and collecting subscribers. That's basically how you do it. Again, once it's activated, Omnisend will begin collecting push notification subscribers. And also you can go to campaigns right here. Now go ahead and create your campaign. Okay, create a campaign right here. And choose push notification, create right here, campaign name, maybe push, give it a title, maybe a push notif, like so, enter a text if you want to as well, okay? And by the way, here's the preview, subscribe for more, okay? Make sure to enter the correct destination URL in here, and if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add in your icon, maybe your business icon, right here, select it, add an image if you want to as well, select image, maybe this one as well, like so. All right. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and edit your UTM tags if you want to as well for Google Analytics tracking. And once that's done, just hit on next step, select your recipient, and once done, you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.